like a peach buddy.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son,
Sullivan!
and today we are making granola bars. Yes. This recipe is from Quaker Oats Wholegrain Cookbook from 1979. This book features all things whole grain.
We add the brown sugar.
Oh, we do, yes. Okay, well there we go.
Okay, we need
it's a little hot.
Mom, we did it.
Ready? Yummy.
Yummy.
That's good. Ready? Open.
Yeah! You cook for it! We need to make some granola bars, Mom.
We are.
Let's stir this up.
Thank you.
No!
I'm just wiping it all over my face. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you think so.
Let's try one.
Ooh. They're still warm. I couldn't wait.
Just eat a little one.
Mm-hmm. But I want to take a bite. Mmm.
Mmm. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.
These are so yummy. I think this is a really good recipe. And you can put anything that you want in here. We put some dates, dried cherries, and raisins in here. The recipe is always in the description below our video. So if you'd like to try these.
I can like the video. We hope you like this video. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Alright, what he said. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Good.
Thank you.